all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 9 of English, and the name of the chapter is adjectives. So adjectives क्या है, right? We all have read adjectives earlier also. So adjectives are basically the words that add something more to the noun or the pronoun, right? They tell us more about the noun or the pronoun. So for reading further, for knowing further, let's have a look on the chapter. So first of all, we have the definition, which says an adjective is a word used with a noun or pronoun to add something for its meaning. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि adjectives जो हैं वो ऐसे words हैं जो कि noun के साथ add किए जाते हैं ताकि हम उनके meaning में कुछ और चीज़ें भी add कर सके, right? So now the next that we have is the kinds of adjective. अब adjectives के kind क्या हैं? So adjectives are of the following kinds. So first of all we have the adjective of quality. तो अब adjective of quality क्या है? The adjective of quality add a quality to a noun or a pronoun. कि adjective of quality जो है वो एक quality add करती है noun या फिर pronoun के साथ, right? We can know an adjective of quality by asking a question to the sentence of what kind. कि अगर हमें adjective of quality का पता लगाना है तो हम sentence में एक question put up कर सकते हैं of what kind, और अगर हमें आंसर मिलता है so then it is the adjective of quality, right? So the examples are the foolish crow tried to sing. What kind of crow? Foolish crow. Thus the word foolish is an adjective of quality, right? तो sentence में हमने sentence है the foolish crow tried to say. So now the question that we have put up is what kind of crow? So the answer comes foolish crow, and hence thus the word foolish is an adjective of quality, right? Next is the adjective of quantity. अब ये adjective of quantity क्या है? So the adjectives of quantity tell us quantity or amount of something. तो adjective of quantity जो है वो हमें किसी ना किसी चीज़ के quantity या फिर उसके amount यानी कि मात्रा के बारे में बताते हैं. We can know an adjective of quantity by asking a question to the sentence how much. कि हम adjective of quantity का पता sentence से एक question पूछ कर लगा सकते हैं जैसे कि how much, right? और अगर how much पूछने पे हमें आंसर मिलता है तो वो कहलाता है adjective of quantity. So let's read the examples. He has little patience. How much patience? Little. Thus the word little is an adjective of quantity. तो हमें यहाँ पर sentence दिया था He has little patience. How much patience? कितना patience है? Which is little. So thus the word little is an example. Little is an adjective of quantity, right? तो यहाँ पर little word जो है वो एक adjective of quantity की तरह काम कर रहा है. Next is the adjective of number. अभी adjective of number क्या है? So adjectives of number tell us the definite or the indefinite number of persons or things. For example, 2 books, 40 heads of cattle, a few houses, 4 boys, etc. तो adjective of number जो है वो हमें या तो definite या फिर कभी कभी indefinite numbers के बारे में भी बताता है जो कि persons और things को ही refer करते हैं. जैसे कि example के लिए दिया है 2 books, 40 heads of cattle, few houses, 4 boys, etc. Right? We can know an adjective of number by asking a question to the sentence how many, right? तो अगर हमें identify करना है adjective of number को तो हम sentence से एक question put up कर सकते हैं जो कि है how many, और अगर हमें उसका आंसर मिलता है that means the sentence is the adjective of number. So let's read the example. There are some students in the class. How many students? Some. Thus the word some is an adjective of number, right? तो यहाँ पर mentioned है कि there are some students in the class. तो हमने क्वेश्चन पूछा कितने स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, एंड वी गॉट द आंसर सम स्टूडेंट्स. Thus the word sum is an adjective of number. Next is the demonstrative adjectives. अब ये demonstrative adjectives क्या है? So demonstrative adjectives straight away point out the person or things that they are used with. ये demonstrative adjectives जो है वो straight away एक person या thing को point out करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. जैसे कि example हमें दिया हुआ है, This door was painted red. Those boys have been playing cricket since morning. तो हमने यहाँ पर this और those word को use किया to point out the things. That is why these words are known as the adjective of demonstration, right? So demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. कि demonstrative adjectives जो है वो question का answer करते हैं which, right? This and that are used with singular nouns and these and those are used with the plural nouns. क्या हम लोग this और that का use करते हैं singular nouns के साथ और these और those का use करते हैं plural nouns के साथ, right? Next comes the interrogative adjectives. अब ये interrogative adjectives क्या है? The words that are used with the nouns to ask questions are called the interrogative adjectives. For example, what, which, both, etc. अब जिन sentences के थ्रू हम लोग questions पूछते हैं जैसे कि what, which, whose जैसे words का use करके वहाँ पर interrogative adjective present होता है, right? Next is the possessive adjectives. So the possessive adjectives are used to tell possession of something or some person. Example, my, your, his, her, our, your, their, its, etc. Right? कि जो एडजेक्टिव्स हमें पोजेशन दिखाने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं, जैसे कि अपना हक जमाने के लिए, किसी भी चीज़ से रिलेशनशिप दिखाने के लिए, वहाँ पर हम लोग पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स का यूज़ करते हैं जैसे कि माई, योर, हिज, हर, आर, देयर, इट्स एंड एटसेट्रा. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. These are each, every, either, neither. These adjectives refer to each and every person, thing separately. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं जब भी हम किसी वर्ड को यूज़ करते हैं ताकि हम उसी एक वर्ड के यूज़ से जितने भी लोग हैं उन सभी में उस मैसेज को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दें, तो वहाँ पर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव का यूज़ किया जाता है. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल, एवरी वुमेन एंड एवरी मैन क्राइड फॉर वाटर. देयर आर ट्रीज ऑन ईदर साइड ऑफ द रोड. ईच स्टूडेंट पास्ड. नीदर ऑफ द गिल्टी वॉज punished, right? So हमने इन सभी sentences में every, each, neither, either इन सभी words का use किया हुआ है, right? So all these words are known as the distributive adjectives. Now we have a thing to remember over here. Let's read it. Compare distributive pronouns with distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are followed by the noun they refer to, right? सो कंपेयर, अगर हमें कंपेयर करना पड़े डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस को और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स को, तो क्या होगा कि हमें पता चलेगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स जो हैं वो नाउन के जस्ट बाद ही यूज किए जाते हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज द एम्फेटिक एडजेक्टिव्स. अब ये एम्फेटिक एडजेक्टिव्स कौन से हैं? अ सेंटेंस इज मेड एम्फेटिक बाय एडिंग एन एक्सक्लेमेशन वर्ड एंड द वर्ड कैरीज विद इट इन द इम्पॉर्टेंट and urgent feeling of the penetration mark. These are used to emphasize a particular object. के sentence जो कि emphatic बनाए जाते हैं by adding an exclamation mark and the word that carries with it more important and urgent feeling, जो अपने साथ एक बहुत ज़्यादा urgent और important feeling को दिखाता है, उन्हें हम कहते हैं emphatic adjectives. जैसे कि this is the very tree which I climbed. One should do one's own duty, right? After that, adjectives are formed from nouns, verbs and sometimes the other form of adjectives. तो adjectives जो हैं वो बनाए जाते हैं nouns को यूज़ करके, verbs को यूज़ करके और कभी कभी दूसरे adjectives को भी यूज़ करके, right? जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल हमें दिया हुआ है, capability, capable. Width, wide. That is silk, silken. Pardon, pardonable. Virtue, virtuous. Man, manly. Bravery, brave. Creation, creative. Hope, hopeful. Attention, attentive. Gold, golden. Silver, silvery. Dirt, dirty. Courage, courageous. Comedy, comic. Attraction, attractive. Length, long. Sense, sensible. Right? Now we have some verbs and its adjectives. So verbs हैं to act, active. To love, lovable. To talk, talkative. To rely, reliable. To sell, saleable. To seize, ceaseless. To beautify, beautiful. To depend, dependable. To agree, agreeable. To quarrel, quarrelsome. To tire, tireless or tiresome. And to care, careful or careless. Now we have some adjectives and the other adjectives. Sick becomes sickly. Economic, economical. Tragic, tragical. Two, twosome. One, single. White, whitish. Right? So all these are the adjectives that are formed with the help of the other adjectives. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the adjectives as well as its kinds. So I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned something from this. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.